My employment-based green card I-140 is approved and fingerprint has been taken by USCIS. I'm waiting for my interview for adjustment of status for my 485. My question is, do I need to maintain my F1 status? Well, it's better that you do, but if you filed your form I-485, you no longer need to maintain the underlying status. You're in a period of authorized stay until the I-485 is decided. You may not need an interview, probably will not have an interview, but the problem is you can't work. So maybe you're on your F1, you're on OPT or something like that. I'm not sure what part of F1 you are, but you do not want to violate your status by doing unauthorized employment. So you have to wait until you get your employment authorization document, EAD, work permit, all this kind of whatever name you want to use. But yeah, you don't have to maintain the underlying F1 status, though most lawyers would recommend it because there might be a glitch in your case. The employer might withdraw their case. Who knows what kind of crazy stuff could happen. And then you want to have something to fall back on. So it's my preference, you maintain the F1, but going to school, paying tuition, all this kind of stuff, you know, it could be hard. So it's up to you. But generally, like the basic rule is, yeah, if you file for my 485 properly, and I don't know your case, I'm not sure if it's a good case or not. So if you don't have other violations or something, but if everything is perfect, let's say like that, which I don't know it is, then you don't need to maintain the underlying F1 status if you don't want to. You could just wait for a decision, but there's risk associated with that. Thank you for your question, Wes Belfort. I hope you enjoyed this educational video. Also, you'll find our social media site has a lot more videos, images, and information about the U.S. immigration process. Please check those out on the various social media websites.